Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Hailuo AI for text-to-video generation. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. Select the text-to-video option if it's available in your interface. Now, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the video you want to create. Try to explain the subject, action, environment, lighting, and camera movement clearly. For example, you could write, a cinematic shot of a young man walking through a rainy city at night, neon lights reflecting on the street, realistic movement, soft lighting. And a slow camera tracking shot. Once your prompt is ready, check it carefully and start the generation process. Hailuo AI will use your description to create the video. When the video is finished, preview the result. Check whether the subject looks correct, the movement is natural, and the scene matches your prompt. If the result isn't what you expected, improve your prompt. You can add more details about the action, environment, lighting, or camera movement and generate the video again. For better results, avoid making your prompt unnecessarily complicated. Focus on the important details and describe the scene clearly. Once you're happy with the result, use the available save or download option to keep your video. And that's how you can use Hailuo AI text-to-video to turn a simple idea into an AI-generated video.